Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So sorry with the lighting and the quality of this video. I video using my laptop. The camera quality is not the best. So as you can see from the title, this is going to be unboxing video. Mr. Yarn mystery bag I bought from Premier Yarns. So it is still sealed, it's not open yet. So there's 2 mystery bag and 1 skein of yarn. The mystery bag costs $10 per bag and you'll get 6 skein. And there's choices of DK weight, worsted weight and bulky weight. I chose both mystery bag, the worsted weight, because that's the yarn that I normally use. And initially I just wanted to get the mystery bag, so $20 for 2 mystery bag, and for the shipping it's $5.99, so I have to pay $25.99. So when I check at their shipping, if you order more than $25 you'll get free shipping. So I just randomly get 1 skein of yarn, so instead of paying for the shipping $5.99, might as well I just get something $5 worth of yarn. Yeah, instead of paying for shipping, I rather pay the extra $5 for yarn, if you get what I mean. Okay, so I paid total of $25.99 in total. Okay, because $20 is for the 2 mystery bag, $5.99 is for the additional yarn that. So I'm going to open. I should have got scissors. Okay, I got my scissors. Ooh, so scary. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's, sorry for the crinkle noise. So this is the first mystery bag. And this is the second mystery bag. And there's 1 yarn, it fell. Okay, so this is the extra yarn that I bought, so because instead of paying for shipping, might as well I just paid for extra yarn to get free shipping. So this is the Premier toy box. Bulky weight yarn number 5 and 100 grams, so you get 109 yards. It's 100% acrylic. So I never tried this yarn before, so I have this in my collection now. Okay, so we're going to open mystery bag number, I'm going to open it. Number 1. So they have this sticker right here. As I mentioned, you'll get 6 skein per mystery bag and you'll get 2 different colors. So the first 3 skein in the first mystery box is this Candy Shop. Candy Shop. It is 5 ounce or 260 yards. 100% acrylic. So that's the color. I do have Candy Shop yarn in my stash, so I have 3 more. Yeah, this is medium weight yarn number 4. Okay, so 3 skein of Candy Shop Premier Yarn brand, and the other 3 skein is this Premier Home. I do have this in my stash as well. medium weight yarn number 4, Premier Yarns. And this is 85% cotton, 15% polyester. It is 80 gram per skein or 2.8 ounce. The colorway for this is beige, so 3 of this. I think I didn't mention the colorway for this. The colorway is Jolly Rancher. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna open mystery bag number 2. I got sweet rolls. This is my first sweet roll, so finally I went to AC Moore recently and they do have sweet rolls, but I'm not sure why I didn't get it. But looks like now I have this in my yarn stash or yarn collection. So this is sweet roll, medium weight yarn number 4. As I mentioned, I chose the mystery bag yarn worsted weight mystery bag. So that is the color. 100% acrylic, and the colorway is Guava Pop. Okay, so there's 3 skein of this, and let's see. Oh, this is so this is the Premier Everyday Yarn anti-peeling. There. So this is 100% anti-peeling acrylic, 3.5 ounce or 100 gram. So per skein you'll get 180 yards or 164 meters. Right there, 100% anti-peeling acrylic. Okay, so the colorway for this is Sage Heather. Okay, so got 3 skein of those. Whew. So I'm gonna pause the camera and try to grab everything at once. So there you have it, guys. This is what I got from Premier Yarn mystery bag. As I mentioned, it is $10 and you'll get 6 skein per mystery bag, and you can choose whether you want to get the DK weight, worsted weight, or bulky weight. But I checked the website, the mystery. If you choose the bulky weight, it is pre-order, so I'm not sure how long you're gonna get if you choose the Premier the mystery bag bulky weight. I placed my order on this Monday. I'm not sure the date. I'm gonna put the date somewhere here. And I received this actually yesterday evening. Today is Sunday. I wanted to do the unboxing yesterday, but it was late and my kids are around, so I don't want the video to be so noisy. So now it is I'm not sure whether I mentioned earlier of this video, it is super early in the morning. They are still sleeping, so I take this opportunity while they're still sleeping to do the unboxing. So these are the yarns that I got. Super happy with my purchase. I paid $25.99 free shipping, and I paid this $5.99 to get the free shipping. Okay, so for my opinion, it is worth the money to pay $10 to get the mystery bag, but of course you will not know what you'll get until you receive your package. So in AC Moore, I went to AC Moore a few days ago. This one candy shop yarn costs $5.99, and this Premier Home Cotton yarn, it is $1.79, I believe. Yeah, so it is worth the money, but of course you will not know what you'll get until you receive your package. I'm happy with the mystery bag that I received, and I do suggest you all to go and check them out. It is only $10 and you'll get 6 skein of yarn, and the shipping is $5.99. Yeah, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. Goodbye and God bless.